from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the photo gallery on your Android phone if it's missing or not showing up. So there's like 5 or 6 different ways that we can do this. Now, depending on if you have internet or not, we can just locate the camera option. So on my Honor phone, you can see it's just listed on the bottom, and that's where it was by default. We can just go to the camera option right here, and in the bottom left, if you click on this picture, you can bring this up. And then if you tap here, you can go up to the top to this little picture, and then it'll bring you to the gallery via that way. But maybe you actually want the app somewhere, so you can just select it. You can go through your different screens here and see if you can find it. So you can see I have gallery right here, and then gallery right here. I can open this up, and then I can drag this to the front page here just by moving to the left. And if I have open spaces right there, I can actually select it there. So another way that we can do this is if we go to search. So on my home screen, I have an option to search, or if I swipe up or swipe down, there should be an option somewhere. And then just type in gallery. And you can see gallery will open up right here. And then we can find it, and then we can hold down on it, and then we should be able to add it to our home screen. If we select the icon and hold down on it. Now, there's a little option to the left of it where you can actually locate it. So if I go back to it and I type in search here, you can see if I press this location button, it's going to show me exactly where it is. And then I can drag it to my preferred location. Now, another way to do this is it could be somewhere under a folder. So if you're looking for Google Gallery or Google Photos, I have a little folder here with all my Google apps. So I can just click this, and then I have Google Photos right here. So I can click this, and then this is everything that's backed up to the cloud for me, indicated by this cloud icon. So these pictures right here are not backed up yet. So if you want to put these to the cloud, you can just press this, and then you can access those on photos.google.com, I believe. And then we can go back. So that's how you can find those under Google Photos. Now, if you still can't find it, you can go to the Play Store right here, and then just type in gallery, and you can literally just download a gallery application. So this one is called just gallery, and it's made by Google. Open this up, and it's going to be very similar to the default one on your phone. So you can just find it under there, and this is what this one is. So you'll have this on your phone now. Just drag it to your preferred position. So that's the easiest. Now, one last way that I can show you is if you locate My Files. So My Files, if I go to this folder here for my essential apps for my phone, could be called like Samsung or something, Vivio, Motorola apps. So I have something called Files under here. If I go to Files, I can back up. I can go on over to Browse, and then I can go to my local storage in my phone, and then I can scroll on through here, and I can go to my pictures. Messenger might have some pictures under there, downloads, but DCIM is going to be your camera from your phone. So we can click this, go to camera, and then you can see I have all my pictures listed under here. And I can tap this and open up, and it'll say, which application do you want to use? I'm just going to use gallery right now to open this up. And it looks like this is a short video, and I might have did it the wrong way. So here's me taking a picture of me recording. So that's like 4 or 5 different ways of how to fix this if it's not showing up on your Android phone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.